What's up, engineers? We're back with another vlog for day two of the vlog. We got some exciting things going on. Will's typing on the keyboard.
So right here, I have about 7 terminal windows open, and they all serve a specific purpose.
Owen. Raspberry Pi.
Control of Declan right now. So if I push forward, it moves him, and if I stop, he sees that. So we got to go left, right? We got to go left a little bit.
Does it have obstacle avoidance?
Yes, it does. And then we go right. Right sees the wall. Oh, this way. That's stop. Oh my. Okay.
I thought it had obstacle avoidance.
All right, I'm disconnected now. We must have. So we just got a delivery of some new materials, so we're gonna go.
We're going to pick it up.
Let's see how we can.
All right, let's load this up.
All right.
What are you guys doing?
Just got
some new materials.
New materials. Just take a delivery of some.
There we go.
What do we do?
Is that a tread? Hey.
Okay, guys.
So we're just diagnosing a little problem here.
Problem we've been having is with the tensioner system.
Yeah, so whenever this goes around, it clicks on this tensioner, which is a loud and kind of annoying sound. And also, it kind of falls towards one direction, whichever way it moves. So we want to keep it straight up, but we still want the suspension that it gives, because that's important for making sure that the treads stay on correctly. Also, in this drive assembly, there's a little, you can watch the motor in the back, and you can see that the motor in the back isn't moving, but the whole drive assembly is. So it would be nice to get that all sorted out.
Okay, what's happening, Caleb? What are you doing?
The arm. So I'm trying to CNC this side plate. We have it out of wood, but just aluminum would be so much cooler. So I'm just trying to line it up so I can set my 0 points and hopefully get it all right. Just had a little sawdust leak. Some could be deadly, but we're very safe here in the BSM engineering lab. We're very safe. So we're homing the machine right now, so it gets the right 0 points. So 0 is set over there, and I need to move it back so we can reset. It's a process. Trust the process.
Okay, guys, we're almost ready for the
Just getting my music going.
initial run of this. Not the initial run. This is our hopefully the last time that we will try.
This is probably the last time.
the success of our aluminum arm. Here we go, guys. Mounted the guiding plates, I see.
Yep. They don't really work here. They should work. Yeah, the ones on the other side didn't work. Because of the new tread design. And they're all made to varying qualities.
It's true.
These are, I think, given better quality, so these should hold up better.
What do I do? What do I do?
Anything. So we're back, Will. How's it going?
So we're on our second hole. We're on our second hole of 3, and then we need to do an outer contour line. So this is probably almost as far as we've ever gone. So it's looking good though. It's nice and tiny.
Ready?
Oh my tits! It's a rat!
It's a rat!
Rat!
Okay guys, we have bad news.
It stopped working. There's no reasonable explanation for why it's doing what it's doing. The world may never know. So, regular pass, it looked just fine. It starts juddering, it goes back and forth, jumps all the way up onto this, and then resets the circle so it's different. Like, you can't do anything.
Activate 3D camera in VR. Go. Everything plugged in. Go. Turning. It's making noises. Oh boy. What's
Dude.
We gotta get those out of aluminum.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what Will's trying to do. Will.
On one side.
That's very astute.
What if we made out of 90?